Thank you. I mean, that was really stage all the way from Tibet. Yes, Tenzin. Come on, my sweet dear. Now, tell us a little bit about your art form, and I can also see you are not alone.
Yes, I'm not. Thank you very much. And my name is Tenzin. I came here last year for the performance at the Page Park. I work as a nurse in South Mid Hospital, and I'm from Tibet. And today we are here to showcase the beautiful culture of my country, Tibet. And Tibet, my country, as most of you know, that is occupied by China since 1959. Human rights situation inside Tibet is worsening day by day. 1 million children these days have been taken away from their parents and their families to the colonial residential school to indoctrinate them with the communist principle and ideology to wipe off the Tibetan beautiful culture and identity. At the same time, these days, Tibetans' DNA are taken by the police to accelerate the arrest of innocent Tibetan people. So therefore, we are here as a Tibetan to preserve our rich culture from the threat of destruction, from the cultural genocide which is ongoing inside Tibet. And I'm so proud that I'm joined by my beautiful 2 daughters, Tenzin Dechet and Tenzin Somo. So we are going to perform Tibetan beautiful dance, and we hope you will like it. And my little Somo want to say a few words.
Hello, I am Tenzin Somo. I am 9 years old. I am a Tibetan. I am proud to be a Tibetan. I am very, very heartwarmed by the invitation from the Page Park refugee. They invited us today to do a performance for to represent Tibet. Thank you. I hope you all will enjoy it.
Thank you so much. I'm so proud of you. And I just want to tell you that if you want to know more about my country, Tibet, what's going inside Tibet, and to get involved or to support Tibet, please go to the website which is called as Free Tibet. There are lots of things that you can help and support. Thank you so much. So we are going to start a performance. We are going down.
Yep, they're going to come down. What a wonderful speech from the Mouse of Babes, right? And very confident. I love that confidence. And that's something that we always want to encourage in our young people, because they are the future, as you know. So over to our wonderful performers.
They're teaching you a little bit. Oh,
Pass that to you.
yeah. Hello, hello.
Hi everyone, I want you to join me. I'm gonna teach you a very easy few steps for 2-3 minutes, and then we will dance this together. Okay? Yeah, please come up. Everything is possible to a willing heart. Let's join it. Nothing is impossible. Come on, let's do it. So, one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So this step will continue throughout the song. Alright? So you will be
They're standing on the stage.
Waiting for the next one.